In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Steam account region to Argentina the legitimate way. If you're trying to access the Steam Store for Argentina, it's important to understand that Steam assigns your store region based on where you actually live and the payment method you use. Using the correct account region helps ensure your purchases work properly and keeps your account in good standing. Stay with me until the end, because the tutorial will begin in just a moment. To get started, open your preferred web browser or launch the Steam application on your computer. If you don't already have a Steam account, visit the official Steam website and create one by providing the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once you've completed the registration process, verify your email address using the confirmation message sent to your inbox. After your account has been verified, return to Steam and click the Sign In button. Enter your account name and password, then log in to access your Steam homepage. Once you're signed in, open the Steam Store. Your store region and currency are determined by Steam based on your location and your purchase information. If you are physically located in Argentina and are using a valid payment method issued there, Steam will guide you through setting your account to the appropriate regional store during your first qualifying purchase. As you browse the store, you'll notice that prices are displayed in the currency associated with your account's current region. If your account is correctly set to Argentina, you'll see prices displayed in Argentine pesos. Before completing any purchase, take a moment to review the pricing and confirm that everything appears as expected. If your account is currently associated with a different country, keep in mind that Steam's regional settings are intended to reflect your actual country of residence. Changing your store region requires meeting Steam's regional requirements, including being physically present in the new country and using a payment method from that region. This helps Steam maintain fair regional pricing and comply with its policies. After your account has been configured correctly, you can continue browsing the Steam Store, purchase games normally, and enjoy your library just as you would with any other Steam account. And that's all there is to it. By following Steam's official process for regional accounts, you'll have a properly configured account that remains in compliance with the platform's policies. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming.